The copy of your call to action can greatly improve your customer's user experience and help with their decision-making process. To start, let's go into your Shopify admin and select your live theme, duplicate it, and then rename it. Now we're going to customize your homepage call to action and how you would like your test version to appear. We are going to add the same section that your call to action appears in and drag it directly under the original section. Now select the same image, make sure that your image alignment, layout, section height, and text size match the original section. Copy the heading, which is Handmade Soaps and Oils, and add the text for the subheading. Label your CTA button and add the same link as the original. Now save and exit. Go into your Neat A/B testing app and create a homepage test. Name your test, select the duplicated theme you renamed, and then select the sections that we are testing, which is Handmade Soaps and Oils. Now select your audience split, and then you can start your test or schedule a specific start date and time. How easy was that? This has been your Neat A/B Testing 1-Minute Helper.